Our topic is assigning work, that is, specific tasks assigned to a worker and sometimes more than one worker. Why do we take the time to talk about something that sounds pretty simple? In construction and industrial settings, it is important because it helps to ensure that the work is completed efficiently and effectively. When workers know exactly what they are responsible for, they are better prepared to focus on their work and perform their task to the best of their ability. A conversation between a foreman and worker would involve clear and effective communication that covers the key points. The task description. The foreman should clearly describe the tasks that the worker is responsible for, including the expected outcome, any relevant deadlines, and any special requirements or considerations. John, I need you to rewire Unit 2 Bravo boiler feed pump so we can test it at 2 o'clock. Torque the fasteners to 20 foot-pounds. Equipment and materials. The foreman should make sure that the worker has all the equipment and materials to complete the task, and that they understand how to use them safely and effectively. See Chuck in the tool crib for the torque wrench and make sure it's in calibration. Health and safety. The foreman should review any health and safety procedures that are relevant to the task and make sure that the worker is fully aware of any risk involved and how to minimize them. Make sure to lock it out at the main power supply. Clarification of expectations. The foreman should make sure that the worker understands what is expected of them in terms of quality, accuracy, and timeliness. Okay, John, any questions about this? Anything you see that's a problem? Yeah, Dave, one thing. I'm sure we could make it at 2 o'clock if I had a hand. Good idea. I'll get Teresa to help. Feedback and support. The foreman should be available to provide feedback and support as the worker completes the task, helping them to stay on track and address any issues that arise. I'm sure we'll make that 2 o'clock test, but let me know if anything changes. Thanks, John. Sometimes there is more than one person on the job. The foreman should say who is the lead person. That allows for the crew to have order and clarity on roles. The lead person makes simple decisions, such as order of work, direction on who needs to be where, to stop if something seems wrong. It's the lead person's role to communicate the issue to the foreman. When there is clear instruction and group organization, you'll get the best outcome.